I'm going to demonstrate quickly how to install our new quad block system on our 1-inch tiles. First, you're going to want to position the tiles so that the appropriate corner is lined up where you're going to have them. The idea here is to match the quad block shape with the tile shape. We're going to use some E-grip, cut it off at about a 1/4 inch. Put a 1/4 inch bead on the outside on the perimeter. You apply that to the quad block, and you're simply inserting the foot into the same shape on the quad block. The quad block will help align and position the tile at the corner.